volume of a prism is the cross-sectional area multiplied by length. So the area is the square plus the trapezium. So the square, it is a square, yes, is 12 by 12. The trapezium, we add the parallel sides, divide by 2 and times the height. Now we do need to be slightly careful and make sure we work out the height. So this was 12, which means the height is 8. Which is 136. So the total area is the square of 144 plus the trapezium, which is 136. Gives a grand total of 280. So the volume will be that area multiplied by the length of 80, which makes 22400. So all the boys, when we divide by 20, gives us an answer of 151. So the boys' heights all together, opposite divide by 20 is to multiply by 20, is 3020. If we add up all the girls and divide by 12, because we've got 12 girls, we get an answer of 148. Opposite of divide by 12 is to multiply by 12. So the girls in total make 1,776. So the total of all the students is 3,020 from the boys plus 1,776 from the girls, which is 4,796. And there are 32 students in the class. So we divide by 32, it's 149.875. Multiply the top equation by 4. Multiply the bottom equation by 3. Then top subtract bottom, 12y subtract 6y is 6y, 36 subtract 39 is -3. Inverse of multiply by 6 is divide by 6. -0.5. We take the first equation again. And we now know y is -0.5. Three times -0.5 is -1.5. Inverse of subtract 1.5 is add 1.5. Inverse of multiply by 3 is divide by 3. So x equals 3.5. And y equals -0.5. Find a parallel line, we need to get it in the right format. So we need to subtract 4x and then divide by 2. So the gradient is -2, then we can use y minus y1 equals m brackets x minus x1. So y minus the y coordinate is -1 equals m, we worked out as -2, x minus the x coordinate is 3. This is into 2 brackets. It's a special factorisation. It's got the difference of 2 squares, and it's a plus b, a minus b. For part b, you're supposed to notice that 2 to the 22 is 2 to the power 11 squared, and 1 is 1 squared. So it matches this pattern. So 2 to the 22 minus 1 is 2 to the 11 plus 1 and 2 to the 11 minus 1. And we can work out those two numbers. 2 to the 11 plus 1 is 2049, and 2 to the 11 minus 1 is 2047. Size of angle CDA. Well, if we work out this angle first, because this is still 24 centimetres, this is all 25, this is 10, so this side is 15. Start from the angle and go across to the opposite side. Start at the right angle and go across to the hypotenuse, and the other side is adjacent. I don't need the hypotenuse. I've got O and A, which is TOA. I'm finding an angle, so I'm going to do shift tan, then O divided by A. O is 15, A is 24. But all of CDA is theta plus this 90 degrees, so we're going to add on 90 degrees to get 122.005. 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, chop it off, it's followed by a naught so nothing changes, so it's 122.